Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2015 GMC Canyon. This Canyon is featured in a bronze paint finish and is the SLT trim. The vehicle has features including aluminum wheels, a Raider aftermarket bed cover, heated front seats, forward collision warning, lane keep assist, as well as our infotainment system with touchscreen and a backup camera with adaptive guidelines. Inside the Canyon, we can once again see we have our chrome door handle. Just past that, we have our door locks. Moving down onto the door panel itself, we can see that we have our powered mirrors, our powered windows, our window lock. Moving down, we have a little bit of extra storage, including a cup holder. To the bottom left of the steering wheel, we have all of our light controls, as well as our drivetrain select. Moving up, we have our digital cluster gauge in the center with an infotainment settings. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel, our cruise control, as well as our forward collision warning button. On the right-hand side, all of our hands-free settings. Moving to the center, we have all of our information system with our audio, navigation, as well as our backup camera with adaptive guidelines. Below, we have some additional settings if we choose not to use the touch screen that we have available. Next up, we have our climate control. Moving down, we have our trailer assist, our ABS, our hazard lights, in-bed lighting, as well as our lane keep assist. Then a little bit lower, we have all of our heated seat settings for our passenger and our driver. Then at the bottom, we have a USB as well as an auxiliary cable. And on the other side, a 12-volt cable. We have some additional storage. We have our two cup holders, some storage before we get to our center console, which opens up to another USB. Moving across, we can see our seats, which are in our brown suede. To the bottom of the rearview mirror, we have all of our OnStar settings. Moving above that, we have our light controls, as well as the controls for our back window. Then lastly, we have our sunglass holder. Now walking down the side of the Canyon, we can see our aluminum rims with GMC center cap. Moving up, we have our chrome finished mirror, as well as our chrome finished door handles. Down below, we can see we have a black running board on either side. Moving into the back, we can see our Raider cover, which is a two-piece. So to open it up, we go to either side. Then the top flips up. Then our top flips up. And we can open up our bottom, which has our backup camera in the bottom. We can see we have lots of storage space in the back, as well as a bed lining. Into the rear of the vehicle, we can see we have our chrome door handle, our window control. Once again, some extra storage with a cup holder in the bottom. Moving across into the middle, we can see we have two USBs, as well as a 12-volt plug. In the back of the passenger seat, we have some extra storage in the form of a magazine holder. Moving across, our seats are once again featured in the same suede material that the front is. We have two foldable cup holders in the center, which also offers an additional third seat, and we have plenty of space. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2015 GMC Canyon. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.